This video is just for fun, and it is done deliberately to see them alert in case something unexpected happens in the place they work. If you don't like this video, just watch the next vlog. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So ayan, nakita nyo, nagbubuhos kami. So ang gamit namin is Euroform.
Euroform is a modular formwork, which combines plywood sheet with steel frame.
So akit ako sa
It is
taas.
used in residential, commercial buildings, parking at ground level, civil construction, and other various projects, which will satisfy the job site requirements.
How about stairway? Stairway or hagdan papunting tis a set of steps or stairs and its surrounding, walls or structure. Hehahahahana hihilo na ako. Lokaloko mo ako ha ha.
One eternity later.
So guys, yan. Nagbubuhos kami, ako yung nasa baba, nag-check kung may link. So ngayon, pag itripan ko sila, pupukpukin ko para bumaba yung isa. Okay. Ito na. So kunwari may tagas, pero wala naman tagas. Ayan na, tatakbo yung mga dito. Ito na. Mayroon dyan bababa, sigurado. Mayroon dyan bababa. Alam mo ba? Isa pa.
the hateful something.
It's a prank. One more. So, trip. Ito na. Pupukpukin ko kunwari may tumutulo. Pero wala naman tumutulo. Ah. Wala, titigas din niya.
He would come back to life, still